Hello everyone, welcome to Rashmi Home and Education. Today we will learn in this video 3rd standard lesson number 2 green wealth. So in this lesson children you will study different varieties of plants, different sizes and different shapes of plants and even the places of growth of plant and where they will grow and how to prepare the manure using the shed leaves. Everything you will learn in this video children. So let us begin. In the previous class, you have learnt a little about plants. You may have observed the plants that grow around you. Write the names of 10 plants that you know. So, however, you have learnt little about the plants in last year EVS lesson. So, little more you will study in this standard now. So, however, you people have seen many plants that will grow near your place. So they told here to write 10 plants name that you people know. Okay. First one, rose plants, money plants, mint, tulsi, snake plant, cactus plants, aloe vera, basil, mogra, hibiscus. These all almost in all your people home it will be there. Okay. So I have written these plants. If you want to write some other plants, you can write children. Observe the rose plant and hibiscus plant. The branches of these plants spread out from the lower part of the plants. Don't they? See, rose plant and hibiscus plant. See hibiscus plant here. They have given from the bottom of the plant they start growing their branches. Even rose plant also children. From the bottom of the stem only they will start growing. As these plants look like a clusters, they are called bushes or shrubs. Such plants are called rose plants, hibiscus plants which start growing from the bottom. Such plants are called bushes or shrubs. You have written the names of 10 plants. Now group them into herbs, small plants, shrubs, trees, creepers. Why did you group them as herbs? Herbs means small plants, shrubs, trees and creepers. Explain. Okay. So in this whatever you have written, you have to divide them as a shrubs, trees and creepers children. Okay. Next, here some plants and trees they have given and they belong to which category will come to know. Herbs are small plants and their stems are very soft. Here tomato plant they have given, it will come under herbs and the stem of this plant is very soft. Okay. The herbs are small plants, they will be having very soft stem. Stem means this part. Okay. Next one. The stems of shrubs are a bit hard. The branches spread out at the lower part of the plant. So as compared to herbs, these shrubs stem will be little bit harder and they will spread the branches lower part of the plant. Trees have hard stem and they grow tall. So these are trees, you know, no? Banyan tree, mango tree, papaya, neem tree. These all are tall trees and they will be having their stem very strong. Okay, hard stem and they will grow taller than these herbs, shrubs, everything. Okay. Next one. Creepers have long stems but they are smaller in size. Creepers means they will grow on land or they want some support. Okay. So there they will be having long stem and they are small in size. The plants are classified into herbs, otherwise small plants. Herbs are called small plants, shrubs, trees and creepers. according to their height and hardness of their stem. So according to their height and hardness of the stem, plants are classified into herbs, shrubs, trees and creepers. Okay. We'll move to next page, children. You know that plants provide food, fodder, manure, firewood, fruits and medicines, etc. You people know, no children? Plants will provide us food, fodder, manure, firewood, fruits, vegetable, medicines, etc. Okay. These are obtained from different parts of the plant. Different parts of the plant will give different items to us. Okay. Write the different parts of the plant in the space provided. So here they have given one plant picture and here they have given spaces to write the parts of the plant. So which is this part? Flower. So write here flower. These are roots. This is stem and this one is leaf. If it is only one leaf, many if you want to write means leaves. Okay. Write the colors of the different parts of the plant that you have seen. So colors of these parts of the plant are having different colors. So by seeing this picture, we have to write their color. Leaf green, stem green or brown in color. Okay, green or brown in color stem. Flower pink, root brown, unripe fruit yellow or red, fruit apple, etc. Which color it will be? Red. Okay. Unripe fruit will be yellow, red or green in color. Next one. Write the details of the plants that are used in your house in the table given below. Follow the model given. So here they told to write the details of the plant that are used in your house. Okay, which all plants we will used in our house, we have to write their details. For example, they have given one. See, name of the plant, creeper of pot herb. Plant, bush, creeper or tree, which it is, we have to write which family it belongs to. It is creeper. Part of the plant used, unripe fruit. Use vegetable. So second one we are writing now, coriander. Name of the plant is coriander and plant, bush, creeper, tree, it is a plant. Then part of the plant used is leaves and seeds. From coriander we will use leaves also and seeds also. Coriander seeds will be there. Use is spice or garnish. Spice or garnish. Tomato, plant name is tomato and whether it is plant or bush, it is plant. Part of the plant used is fruit and use is vegetable. Hibiscus, plant, here flower, hair oil. Tulsi, bush or herb, leaves and medicine. Okay. Here one activity is given, children. Put together the details of the plants prepared by you along with your friends and prepare a big chart. Display it in your school. With the help of your friends, count the number of different types of plants that grow around your houses and school. So, first one you have to draw one plant chart. On that you have to write their parts. That you have to do with your friends. Second one is with your friends you have to count the number of different types of plant which that grow around your house and school. Third one is, why are coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves used for cooking? Know about this. Write the names of any 5 types of plants which have good smelling leaves. See, coriander leaves, mint leaves, curry leaves, why we will use in cooking means they will give good fragrance and they are having medicinal qualities. So we will use it in cooking. So other 5 such plants we have to write that will give good smelling. First one is tulsi, bay leaf, lemongrass, rosemary, mint. These plants will give good smell. Next one, collect different types of leaves. Observe their sizes and shapes. Dry them and stick them in your used notebook. So you have to collect different plant leaves and observe their size and shapes and allow them to dry. After once they get dry, you have to stick them in your notebook, children. This is one activity you have to do. So here next page, sing and enjoy. Okay, here one song they have given, we'll sing and enjoy. I am a green, the life of a plant. See our size, so different our shape. Though in color we rarely differ, and our smell you all will love. I grow on plants, fall on the soil, turned into manure, join the plants again. When on plant, I sow the plant. When I fall, I will dry and join the plant again. See, plant, then leaf, then it will get dry, again it will become manure, again it will come to plant. So this is the recycle of the plant, children. Here one activity is given. Collect the leaves that have fallen in your school premises with the help of your friends. Under the guidance of your teacher, prepare manure with your friends. Discuss with them its use and use it. So, you have to collect the fallen leaves in your school premises and you have to take the teacher guidance and you have to prepare the manure. And what is the use of manure and how to use it, you have to discuss with your teacher, children. Draw the pictures of different leaves. So here they have given some some space. In that you have to draw different varieties of leaves, children. Okay. Identify the leaves painted on this object. Identify the leaves that painted on this object. So using different leaves they have painted on this object. See, this is shawl, tablecloth, vase is there, mug, like, okay. On this they have used leaves painting. Okay, even you can do it in your house, children. Okay, so it will be decorative also and you will learn something new. Next one, you might have observed that some plants grow in water. Can you name them? See, children, I think all will know that. All of you have know that, right? Many of the plants will grow in water. So here one plant they have given. They told you to name that plant. So which is this plant? Lotus. Lotus, lily, these will grow in water. The plants like lotus and lily grow in water. Look at their leaves. They appear to be floating. See, look at this. Their leaves will be floating on the water. They looks like they are floating. Do you know about small plants growing on the branches of big trees? Observe these plants in your locality. These are called epiphytes. So some plants will grow on big, means branches of the big trees. So for example they have given, see, these plants have grown on branch of this big tree. Okay, such plants, such small plants are called epiphytes. Have you seen the cultivated fields What crops are grown by the farmers in the fields in your village? Write the names of crops in the space given. Take the help of your teacher. So, these are the crops which have grown in the field. Okay. So, what type of crops will grow in your fields and what types of crops will grow, the farmers will grow, that you have to write, children. In your village and all, if you have seen what types of crops they will grow, you have to write here. If you want, you can take your teacher's help. Here I have written jowar, wheat, tur dal, cotton, groundnut. Okay. If you want, means if you know other crops that will grow in your village, that you can write, children. Next one. Do you know how many types of plants grow around you and what things are obtained from them? So they are asking, do you know that types of plants grow around you, means nearby your places, and what things are obtained from them? So whatever crops are growing nearby you people, with your parents' help, you can discuss. Do it yourself. With the help of your family members, grow a kitchen garden. Grow plants that give us flowers, vegetables, and fruits. Put water and manure and look after them carefully. So, they are telling you to make one garden, kitchen garden. So, if small place is there in your house, make one kitchen garden, grow flowers, vegetable, and fruits, and take care of that plants by giving water and manure, they are telling. With the help of your teacher and friends, grow different types of plants in your school and nurture them. Even they told you to grow some plants in your school premises. Third point, avoid plucking the plants and the leaves unnecessarily. So, avoid plucking the leaves of the plants unnecessarily. So, if you pluck the leaves, the plant will get damaged, children. So, you should not pluck the leaves or plants. Okay. So, with this lesson explanation we finished, children. So if you have understood about different varieties of plants and how to take care of the plants, then please click on the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to Rashmi Home and Education channel, children. Keep watching my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.